In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or exit zoom on Apple Watch. Is that? So if you have an Apple Watch and you're already zooming or you want to zoom out, then this video is going to show you how to do this. So with the Apple Watch zoom function, you can see your app screen in big format like this. So here, I'm going to basically show you how you can easily turn off or on zoom on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this video you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the fastest and easiest way to unzoom on Apple Watch or zoom in when you zoom out is just double tap the screen with two fingers like this. Then the Apple Watch is going to zoom in or zoom out. See that? Or better still, when your Apple Watch screen is zoomed, just press the three crown once to take you to the app screen. On the app screen, use the three crown to rotate the screen like this. So then once you see the settings gear icon, go ahead and click on it. While on the settings page, use the digital crown to go to accessibility and click on it. Then you can just use the digital crown again, scroll down like this to see the zoom. You see that? So locate zoom this and click on it once. Then with the help of the digital crown as well, go to where to turn off the zoom button. Then you should see the zoom turn off on your Apple Watch. So that's how you can easily disable turn off zoom on Apple Watch. Found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.